How to fix Amazon Flex not working. So if the Amazon Flex app isn't working properly, there are a few common fixes you can try to resolve the issue. So first one is to check your internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. The next option is to restart the app. So close the Amazon Flex app completely and then reopen it. The next option is to restart your phone. The next option is to ensure you have the latest version of the Amazon Flex app, because sometimes bugs or compatibility issues are fixed in newer versions. Our fifth option is to clear caching. This is for Android users, by the way. So go to your settings, select apps and notifications, find Amazon Flex in the list of apps, tap storage and cache, and select clear cache. Now this won't delete any of your personal data or settings within the app as long as you follow the procedure. And and for next steps, it's to reinstall the app. Now uninstall and reinstall the Amazon Flex app. This can resolve issues with corrupted files or incomplete installations. For a seventh option is to check for system updates, so make sure your device's operating system is up to date. And a next option is to check Amazon Flex services status. So there may be an issue with Amazon servers. So if the app is down for everyone, you can check Amazon Flex's official social media channels, so Twitter. And for our last two steps is to log out and log back in. So open the app, go to the settings or account section, tap log out and log back in with your credentials. And finally is to contact Amazon Flex support. Now if this helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. That's all. Thank you.